looking outside my window. I try to see where my life goes. I just don't know how it's lived.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be cleaning my master bedroom and the master bathroom and kind of doing some laundry, washing blankets and stuff like that. Once I am done with all of that, we are going to be finishing some decorations downstairs for fall. And I did recently just do a fall decor haul. I went to Hobby Lobby and then Target Dollar Spot and got a bunch of stuff. So I will link that video down below in the description box if you haven't seen that yet. So before we get started, I just want to apologize to anybody that felt kind of sick from my first person view cleaning video I posted the other day. I wanted to try something new and I had fun doing it just because I didn't have to drag the tripod around everywhere while I filmed. But I know you guys didn't really care for it, so I'm not going to be doing it anymore. I'm probably just going to be adding some shots into videos here and there just so we can kind of get a little bit of a different view for you guys because I know some of you guys liked it. So I won't be doing like a full FPV video or anything because it was a little shaky and I totally agree. So I just wanted to put a disclaimer on that. Right now I am just cleaning my sink. I'm not going to do a deep clean in my bathroom. It didn't need it, but I needed to clean like the toothpaste off the mirror and the sink and things like that. Kind of disinfect some areas in the bathroom and things like that. So that's what we're doing here.
I told you it'd be alright as long as I could have you next to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love and nothing could be better.
So I am using these new 7th generation wipes that I recently just got from Grove Collaborative. I really like them. They have a little bit of a toothpaste type smell, like a minty smell, but they work really well. So I'm really happy. It's the first time I've used these wipes. I've been using the Clorox wipes. I still have them left and I still will finish those up, but I wanted to find a non-toxic wipe that worked well also.
Dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was.
So I am using this lavender spray that I got from Pike Place Market a couple months ago, and it's made with essential oils, and I just kind of spray that on this sheet. This cover here is actually like a mattress protectant cover, and that is what the person that sold us our mattress, that company said it's good to keep a cover on just to keep the longevity of your mattress, is to keep some kind of cover on it, because I guess our body, it sheds like dry skin and dead cells and all of that stuff, and it goes through your sheet onto your mattress and kind of ages your mattress and dirties your mattress. So we have that on there, and I only wash that about once a month.
What we could do.
So right now I am putting some essential oils on these little air dryer balls. I also got these from Grove. They just kind of save time, save drying time, and kind of help things not get so wrinkly. So I use those instead of fabric softener sheets. I've had them for a long time, but I just got back in the habit of using them. And then I am air drying my clothes. So now we're going to go ahead and start putting up the decor. My downstairs was pretty much clean. I just needed to kind of wipe the counters and things like that. But I'm going to take everything out and just kind of see what I have and where I want to put it. And right here, I'm trying to decide if I wanted to shorten it just because I didn't want the kids to kind of like spill any food on it or anything. But I just went ahead and left it out long, and then when they eat, I just kind of fold it up. And then I did find my old leaves from last year, and they don't look so bad, so I went ahead and used them this year. So the next thing I'm going to do is put the wreath on my pantry door, which this is something that I'm doing that's new, and I'm really excited. It really livens up the kitchen. I absolutely love it, and it just looks so cute. So I'm not putting up the wreath outside in the patio yet because I am going to be doing a video on decorating my patio. So I do have a wreath for it outside, but I'll put that up later.
Down the moon and give that to
So now I just added a little pumpkin here. So I do want to mention that I discovered the pillows that I bought. They are super cute, but I'm going to need to buy some kind of like burnt orange pillows or something else that I can add there. Just to kind of make everything match and to put some orange on the couch. So that's what I'll do later. And then this was my tricky spot area, you guys. What would you do with this space? It is such a big space, and I literally just put a bunch of things together there, and that's what I did for now. Let me know what you would put in that space.
If you think about it, if I could, I would be the perfect.
And then the last area that we did, this is something that Ava wanted to do. I did not know where to put this thankful sign, and I have another one, but I went ahead and let her decide. So we put it here for now, and it's cute when you walk down the hall and you can see it, but it doesn't really, there's no other decor in that room. So that is what we're doing here. So anyway, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and say hi so I know that you guys were here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.